Happy Memorial Day, friends. In today's video, we're going to make some blueberry sorbet. And all you'll need is 5 ingredients. 1 cup of water, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 pounds of blueberries, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and a clean space to work. We're also going to be using a food processor and a blender. If you have a large food processor, that will work. If you have a blender that's particularly industrious, that will also work. We'll also be working on the stove, so I have a stainless steel pan, shallow pan, and a spatula that's also made out of steel. Now there are 4 parts to making our sorbet. We'll walk through each part. The first part is to make a simple syrup. The second part is to make the puree that will be our sorbet base. The third part is to chill that sorbet base, and the fourth part is to freeze it. So first, let's make our simple syrup. We'll take our cup of water and our cup of sugar over to the stove. We're going to turn our stove up to a medium heat once we've put in our cup of water and our cup of sugar. And then we'll stir this mixture for 10 to 12 minutes until that sugar dissolves and we come up with the syrup. While we're waiting for our syrup to warm up, we can start prepping our lemon juice. Fresh lemon is best. It'll give you the best flavor. While we wait for the simple syrup to reduce, we can start prepping the blueberries. Let's check up on our simple syrup. Good deal of the water has evaporated, so we can let this cool for a little bit before we add the lemon to it. Turn off our burner, set it aside. Once our simple syrup cools down to warm temperature, we'll continue with making the base of our sorbet. To begin making our sorbet base, we will take our blueberries, add in our salt and lemon to the mixture. Once again, we'll be adding 1/8 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And we blend. Next, we'll combine that mixture with our simple syrup. Steps 3 and 4 are to take this mixture, cover it airtight, and place it in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. And then to take that out of the fridge and churn it in an ice cream maker. All right, let's freeze some sorbet. While the sorbet is churning, we might as well talk about storage. After it's finished, go ahead and put it in an airtight container. You can keep it in the freezer for about a month. Alright, so now that our sorbet is frozen, we will transfer it to our airtight container and place it in the freezer for about an hour so that it sets. All right, let's try this sorbet. All frozen now. Get a proper ice cream scoop. And a few blueberries. And now we have some red, white, and blue for your Memorial Day as our finished sorbet. Well, that'll do it for today. Thanks for joining me. I will see you again next week. Totally. Fantastic. It has a nice sweetness to it. I think the lemon and the sugar complement the blueberry really well. Hi, babe. We'll see you next time.